Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to the Wyze app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and invite someone so that they can go ahead and manage your cameras via Wyze. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Wyze app. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on Account. Next, you want to go ahead and click on Sharing. Now, as you can see here, I have the name blurred out, but you can click on Share with New User and then go ahead and enter their email. Now, it really helps if the individual that you're inviting already has Wyze installed onto their phone. And so with that, make sure that they install the Wyze app onto their phone, and afterwards check their email and then accept the invite via their email. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite someone to the Wyze app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.